G'day folks. When you think of danger, maybe you picture lions or sharks, but the animal kingdom is full of surprises. Some of the deadliest creatures are the ones you'd never expect. They come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiniest insects to massive beasts, each with their own unique arsenal. Today we're counting down 10 of the most dangerous animals on Earth. Not to fear them, but to understand and respect their power. These animals aren't evil. They're just perfectly adapted to survive, and sometimes that makes them hazardous to us. So buckle up. We're about to meet creatures where a single touch or bite can mean life or death. Let's dive in. Our journey begins in the warm Indo-Pacific waters, a realm of vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life. But beneath the beauty lies a hidden danger. Here, we find the home of the ghostly box jellyfish, a creature as ethereal as it is deadly. At first glance, it looks like a simple, floating bell, drifting peacefully through the water. But don't be fooled by its delicate appearance. This jellyfish possesses up to 60 nearly invisible tentacles, trailing behind it like deadly silk threads. And each of these tentacles is armed with thousands of venomous stingers called nematocysts, coiled and ready to strike. One brush against these tentacles can inject a cocktail of venom so potent, a single sting can unleash a cascade of pain. It can paralyze its prey, and in some cases even kill a human in minutes. The pain inflicted by a box jellyfish sting is described as excruciating, a searing agony that spreads rapidly through the body. And the venom doesn't just target one area, it attacks the heart, the nervous system, and the skin all at once, causing widespread damage. So what makes them so dangerous, so feared in these waters? It's their near invisibility, their ability to blend seamlessly into the clear ocean waters. Swimmers often don't see them until it's too late, until they've already brushed against those deadly tentacles. There's rarely time for antivenom to be administered effectively. The reaction is often too swift. Survival depends on immediate action, on quick thinking and a rapid response to the sting. The box jellyfish is a silent, efficient predator, perfectly adapted to its environment. It's nature's perfect reminder that beauty and danger often go hand in hand, that even the most graceful creatures can harbor deadly secrets. So respect the ocean, understand its power, and always be aware of what's lurking beneath the surface, hidden from view. This jelly isn't just a stinger, it's a complex organism, a marvel of evolution, but it's also one of the deadliest animals in the sea, a creature to be respected and feared, a true ghost of the ocean, a silent killer lurking in the depths. What a little ripper, mate, a testament to the raw power and hidden dangers of the natural world. Our journey takes us now to the sprawling river systems of northern Australia and the dense mangrove swamps of Southeast Asia. These waterways, often murky and teeming with life, hold a secret, a powerful presence. Here in this realm of tangled roots and hidden currents dwells the saltwater crocodile, affectionately known as the Salty. A creature of immense size and ancient lineage, it is the largest living reptile on our planet, a true behemoth of the reptile world. A fully grown male can reach staggering lengths, topping 20 feet with ease and weigh over a ton, a truly awe-inspiring spectacle of nature's grandeur. They are apex predators in every sense of the word. These ancient predators are masters of camouflage, blending seamlessly with their surroundings, and possess an almost supernatural level of patience. They can remain perfectly still, waiting motionless for hours, sometimes even days, submerged just beneath the surface, an unseen menace lurking in the depths. Then, with lightning speed and explosive force, they erupt into action, a sudden burst of power that few creatures can withstand. Their bite is not just strong, it's the most powerful bite force in the entire animal kingdom, a testament to their evolutionary dominance. Once those jaws clamp down, escape becomes virtually impossible. The pressure is immense, crushing bone and muscle with terrifying ease. And then there's the infamous death roll. This terrifying maneuver drowns and dismembers prey in mere seconds, a brutal display of aquatic power and predatory efficiency. But salties are more than just brute force. They are intelligent and fiercely territorial. They possess the ability to learn patterns in their prey's behavior, adapting their hunting strategies accordingly. They're not mindless killers driven by instinct alone. They are strategic, calculating, top-tier predators, constantly assessing and adapting to their environment. Remember, if you find yourself in their water, you're not just swimming, you're on their turf, and they make the rules. They play a vital role in keeping ecosystems in balance, controlling populations, and maintaining the health of their environment. Their power is absolute, a force to be reckoned with in the natural world. They are a living dinosaur, a relic of a bygone era, perfectly adapted for survival over millions of years. Encountering one in the wild is a truly humbling experience, a stark reminder of the raw power and untamed beauty of nature. It serves as a potent reminder to respect their domain, to acknowledge their place in the intricate web of life. The saltwater crocodile, an armored titan, a creature of immense power and ancient wisdom, a true king of the waterways ruling its realm with unchallenged authority. What a magnificent beast, a testament to the enduring power and beauty of the natural world. Next, the African elephant, the largest land animal on Earth. We think of them as gentle giants, but their sheer size and unpredictable nature make them incredibly dangerous. A bull elephant can weigh over 6 tons and run faster than a human. When threatened, they can flip cars, uproot trees, and charge with deadly force. Their tusks are formidable weapons, and their mood can change in an instant. Most attacks are defensive, often sparked by protecting their young or territory. Elephants are responsible for more fatalities in Africa than lions or leopards. They're intelligent, social, and powerful, a force of nature that demands respect. Admire their beauty, but never underestimate their wildness. Meet the Cape buffalo, known as the Black Death. They may look like big cows, but they're among Africa's most dangerous animals. Unpredictable and aggressive, they can charge at 35 miles per hour with no warning. A full-grown bull weighs nearly a ton and wields massive, lethal horns. Wounded buffalo have been known to ambush hunters, showing cunning and a vengeful streak. Even lions tread carefully. Taking down a buffalo is risky business. The herd defends its own, mobbing predators and protecting the vulnerable. Cape buffalo are untamable, stubborn, and explosively powerful. Their reputation as the Black Death is well earned. On the savanna, the grazer can be just as deadly as the predator. Our journey takes us now to the vibrant rainforests of Central and South America, a realm teeming with life and hidden wonders. Here, amidst the dense foliage and humid air, we find a tiny but incredibly deadly marvel, the poison dart frog. These amphibians are a testament to nature's capacity to package immense power into a small form. Their brilliant and striking colors aren't just for show, they serve as a clear warning to potential predators. Don't even think about eating me, I'm incredibly dangerous. It's nature's way of saying, look, but don't touch. These frogs secrete a potent neurotoxin through their skin, a defense mechanism evolved over millennia. This toxin is potent enough to kill not just one but potentially 10 grown men. It's a substance so powerful that even a tiny amount can have devastating effects. And the most toxic of them all, the golden poison frog, stands out as a true champion of lethality. This tiny terror is only about 2 inches long, but it packs a lethal punch far exceeding its diminutive size. Interestingly, their poison doesn't originate within their own bodies. Instead, it comes from their diet. Specifically, the ants and mites they consume in the wild contain the compounds that their bodies then convert into the deadly toxin. In captivity, without access to their natural food sources, they're rendered harmless, losing their toxic edge. For centuries, indigenous people of these regions have recognized and utilized their toxins, carefully extracting and applying it to the tips of their blowgun darts for hunting, ensuring a swift and effective takedown of their prey. There's no bite, no sting involved. Just a thin, deadly coating of poison that makes them a force to be reckoned with. It's a potent reminder that in the natural world, size doesn't always equal safety or dominance. A tiny, beautiful frog adorned with vibrant colors yet harboring a deadly secret beneath its skin. For snake lovers, meet the inland taipan, the world's most venomous snake. Its venom is a complex cocktail that can kill 100 adults with a single bite. The neurotoxin shuts down nerves while other toxins cause paralysis and internal bleeding. The taipan is fast and accurate and delivers multiple bites in seconds. Yet, it's shy and reclusive, living in remote Australian outback. Human encounters are rare. Most bites happen to snake handlers. Despite its power, it prefers to flee rather than fight. Its reputation comes from lab tests, not body counts. The inland taipan, a nuclear arsenal in a calm, elusive package. Respect its potency, but know it's not out to get you. Now, the deadliest animal to humans, the mosquito. Tiny, common, and seemingly harmless mosquitoes are responsible for more deaths than any other creature. They're vectors for diseases like malaria, dengue, yellow fever, Zika, and more. A single bite can transmit deadly pathogens, making them efficient killers. Mosquito-borne diseases have shaped human history, causing millions of deaths every year. Their impact dwarfs that of sharks, snakes, or crocodiles. Controlling mosquitoes is one of humanity's greatest public health challenges. The greatest dangers often come in the smallest packages. Don't underestimate the world's tiniest killer, the mosquito, the undisputed deadliest animal on Earth. Crikey. Back to Africa's rivers for the hippopotamus, a deceptively dangerous giant. Hippos look comical, but they're fiercely territorial and unpredictable. They kill more people in Africa than any other large animal. A bull hippo can weigh over 3,000 pounds and run faster than you'd think. Their massive jaws and 20-inch canines can crush boats or people with ease. Hippos attack anything they see as a threat, including crocodiles. Most attacks happen in or near water, where they're nearly invisible until it's too late. Mothers are especially aggressive when calves are nearby. Don't be fooled by their looks. Hippos are short-tempered, powerful, and deadly. They rule Africa's waterways with brute force, a true powerhouse of the river. Back to the ocean for the beautiful but deadly cone snail. Its shell may look harmless, but inside is a venomous hunter. The snail fires a harpoon-like tooth, injecting a cocktail of toxins that paralyze prey instantly. For humans, a sting can be fatal. There's no antivenom. Symptoms start mild but can quickly lead to paralysis and death. The most dangerous species, like the geography cone, can kill an adult. Scientists study their venom for new medicines, but in the wild it's a lethal weapon. Never pick up a live cone snail. Beauty can hide deadly secrets. A tiny shell, a deadly surprise. Our final animal, the pufferfish or fugu in Japan. It's famous for inflating into a spiky ball and for its deadly neurotoxin tetrodotoxin. Just a tiny amount can kill 30 adults. There's no antidote. Despite the risk, it's a prized delicacy, prepared only by licensed chefs. One slip in preparation can mean fatal poisoning. Even a correctly prepared dish can cause tingling or numbness, a thrill for some diners. The pufferfish's poison is a defense, not a weapon against humans. We're the ones who take the risk for a taste. A remarkable creature, deadly yet sought after. What an adventure! We've met some of the world's most powerful and dangerous animals. From tiny mosquitoes to massive crocodiles, each is a marvel of evolution. They're not monsters, just perfectly adapted survivors. The key is respect for their power, their space, and their role in nature. By understanding them, we can protect both wildlife and ourselves. The wild is full of wonder and danger. Let's cherish and conserve it. Thanks for joining me. Stay safe and keep exploring.